Hi friends, welcome to my channel Jai Padmaja Raj. Let us see the method for preparing pizza sauce. Take a pan and add 4 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat. Now add 3 chopped onions. Fry this for 1 minute. Now add 1 whole chopped garlic, 1 chopped green pepper, and add salt and start frying it. Now we'll add tomatoes. I am adding 10 medium sized tomatoes. For each tomato, remove the eye and slice it into 2 parts and then add it into the pan. Now start stirring this mixture and put lid on it to get them soft. After they are cooked well, you should be able to take out the skin like this. You can see that I have removed the skin for all the tomatoes. Now add some dried oregano and basil leaves. Now add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder too. Add some salt as per your taste. Add 1 teaspoon sugar to balance the tomato sourness. Now stir the mix a little bit, and after 1 minute you can turn off the flame. Now we need to blend this mixture. I am using a hand blender to blend. You can also blend with mixer grinder, but make sure you don't make it too much liquid. Also make sure the mixture is cooled down if you decide to put it in a mixer grinder. Now the pizza sauce is ready. If you want to store this, it can be stored up to 15 days. So you don't need to buy pizza sauce from outside. Make sure that it's stored in an airtight container in the fridge. If you are seeing my videos for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. I have kept separate videos on how to make pizza and pizza base in the description section below, so please check out them. Thanks for watching.